Here I'm on typing.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to change the theme. So you're going to notice that the default theme is this blue background, but to change the theme, all you have to do is click on this button over here that says Themes. And you're going to be guided to a number of different free themes to choose from. So let's say I want to select the superhero. Then I'm going to select my avatar. And I'm going to go back to typing.com. And you're going to notice that now my theme has been changed. If I want to change the theme again, I simply select on that button over here that says Themes. And then I'm going to this time change it to Princess Adventure. And I want to be Princess Penny. And I want to be the middle one right there. And once I'm ready, I'm going to go back to typing.com right here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. So you notice that it looks a little bit different from before. And this time I'm going to change it to, let's say, the space. I'm going to click on that avatar. This is so cute. Okay. Super simple. So if you want to change your mind and change the theme, that's how easy it is. Okay. And if you don't like any of the themes and you just want to go back to the original theme, all you have to do is select basic theme, and you can select that, change to basic theme. And there you have it. We're back to the original right here. Okay.